I'm back! Happy holidays, peeps and duds. Merry Christmas! I'm sorry I disappeared off the face of the earth. There's just been a lot going on around me. But I am back with a simple kid's craft, and this is a holiday classic for me. It's sock snowmen. I did some research on the snowmen, and there's more than one method to this, so I'm going to be comparing two of them. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Today I'm using this long white sock. Some kids' socks, and they come in various colors. Some craft yarn. Some rice, and some way to decorate. I'm using fabric paints and fabric markers. So, to start off, I am cutting the long white sock, and we're going to be cutting along the heel first. Now we have our two parts. So I'm going to start off with the first method. I'm using the round part of the sock, the toe part of the sock. I'm putting that into a glass cup and putting rubber band around it so it could stay secure. And then we're going to be stuffing it with rice. To make it easier, put the rice inside a bowl and stuff it with a spoon. And make sure to get the rice all the way at the bottom and try to get as much in there as you can. Take it out of the cup so you can stuff it more. Be sure to squish all the rice down to the bottom of the sock so you can get as much in there as you can, but make sure it's not overstuffed. Just squish it to see if there's enough room to make a head for the snowman. And you'll know you're done stuffing once it reaches about 1.5 inches from the top. Then I'm taking the crafting yarn and then I am tying the top. Make sure that there's still enough room for the rice to move around. Don't make it too snug. I'm just gluing the knot so that it won't come loose. Then for the second method, I'm using the other part of the sock. I am turning the sock inside out and then I am pinching it so it makes it easier to tie a knot. You want to make sure this is very secure. This is going to be the bottom of the other snowman. Glue the knot so it's very secure and then turn it right side out again. And also be careful while doing this so it doesn't ruin the knot. Then I'm repeating the same stuffing process, putting the sock in a glass cup and filling it with rice. Take it out, you could kind of notice that it's kind of very skinny, but with enough shaking and squishing, it actually starts to plump back up. So, again, try to squish as much rice as you can into the sock. You know the drill, tie and seal the opening. They're so adorable. It's time to make their heads. I'm just not gonna say anything, you guys know what to do. Now choose a sock for the snowman. I'm cutting the sock along the heel to make their little hats. Just curl it up and then stick it onto their head. Make sure it's nice and snug and it's covering the top portion. Oh, they're so cute! But we're not done yet, I'm using the elastic part of the socks to make scarves, and I'm hot gluing the accessories in place. I'm filling up all the gaps in the sock to make eyes for the snowman out of black fabric paint. I'm using some orange fabric paint to make their nose. Just extending it off of the fabric paint so that they point out, looking more like carrots. For one of the snowmen, I'm making a snowflake design out of blue fabric paint. I'm hoping that gravity would help me make their noses stand out more, so I'm putting them at an angle so that they don't flatten out. And let them dry. And now this is the finished snowmen. Yes, they kind of look really crafty, but this was a really fun activity, and they're still pretty cute no matter what you do. I mean, you can't really go wrong with these snowmen. We're gonna go compare these two methods now, and you guys choose what you prefer. Comparing the two, aesthetic points go to the one on the right because it looks really good with the part of the sock I used. With durability points go to the one on the left because there are less open places for the rice to leak out of. So, it depends on what you guys really want. Do you want one to be durable, or do you want one for aesthetically pleasing decorations? I'd say they're both good snowmen, it's just that one's more catered toward decoration and one's more catered towards durability. So, it's really your preference. So this was a simple winter's craft, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. So, happy holidays, peeps and duds, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you peeps later. A good bye-bye.